Hey family and friends, welcome back to the Chaotic Kitchen. And today is day 5 of my homemade mixes and dressings series. Today we are going to do homemade French dressing. So let's get started. And as usual, I will have the full instructions and ingredients down in the description. To get started, we need 1 teaspoon of minced onion, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of salt, okay, you can get these out of our way. Now we're going to move on to 1/4 cup. We need 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. I'm sorry, I have my sweet grandchild over here making me laugh over here behind the lines here. He's my support. He starts school next week. I can't believe it. 1st grade. I'm sorry, you need 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Or any kind of oil, even vegetable oil will work. Okay, and then we need, I'm gonna give that a little bit of a spray. We need 1/4 cup of, you can either use honey or sugar. I'm gonna go with honey today. Get all of that out of there. Okay, and then lastly, we want 1/3 cup of ketchup. As soon as I find my 3rd cup, here we go. Give it all a really good little mix. Okay, I decided I'm going to put this into a bowl because I'm not sure if I'm getting everything at the bottom here. Okay, that's it. Let's give it a taste. Oh my God. These homemade dressings, I can't believe how amazing they taste. If you are a French dressing lover or liker, you're going to love this. I'm going to put this in a mason jar with a seal on it, and I'll put a piece of tape on it that says what it is and today's date. This should stay good for 7 to 10 days in your refrigerator. I usually give it a stir each time before I use it, and that is it. And I hope you guys get to use this and love it. Please let me know in the comments. Tell me where you're watching me from. Tell me what you'd like to see me make next. Also, please give us a like and a subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Thank you.